Hi guys, let's start your discussion today topic table versus metric in the Power BI. After it will cover the topic conditional formatting. So first let's take it table. Table is basically the visual show data in the simple row by row format similar as a Excel. Basically it is a 2D grids used by display detailed flat data, right? And the matrix is like a pivot table. It's a multi-dimension grid. What is it? Let's open the Power BI and try to understand it. Okay, I'll take the table first. Take the table from here. Let's fetch some data in this. Click here. Add some data in the column. Let's take the category, product category from here. And after it, let's take some more data like product name from maybe in the product lookup table, product name from here. Okay, and some data from the measure table. Let's take the order, revenue, and let's take the return it also. Return it also, right? So data is looks like this. Okay, let's format it. Order would be the order so that we can visual it. Revenue would be the revenue. It is working. Double click, remove the total from the revenue, and in the return is a return percentage. Double click as a percentage, right? So it can show like data like this. Maybe more visible so we can see the data. So table is simply row by row. It is a table. What if I want this product in the row and data in the this column in the column? So let's take the matrix in this, and you can see visual simply what is visual like this. It is simple matrix, and the matrix is like if I click here, it will convert in the matrix. So it's a go here in there. Let's take the category in the column and product in the row. So we can see simply visual what it's look like, or we'll do like this. So this data looks like this. So that is the matrix basically. That board are nothing to see how you see the data, right? So let's take some more example. Okay, let's remove the product category from here. So data look like this. That is the basically matrix. Let's change some more formatting in this. Go to the visual, click here, go to the visual in the formatting parts. Let's go there in the formatting. Keep the 1 minutes formatting here. Okay, click here. Let's format it so that we can go for the formatting part also. Condition formatting. Now we can remove the simple formatting here. Visual, layout and style, and in the style let's take the none. see the what is happening. It's become the simple so that we can visual the next step in the conditional formatting, right? And one more thing we can do, we can go again with the visual in the format and column header. Let's search the column header here, this one, and let's do some formatting. Let's take font would be some little bold, right? So that it can visual here, and in the middle, no, it will be like this, and color would be, let's take this color. Okay. And one more thing we can do, we can go in the visual and then we can go off this one and the subtotal will be off. Okay. So slowly we can just go this one. That is the basically the our table here. We can do some more formatting here, and let's take that other topic, formatting parts. In the formatting part, basically is the conditional formatting just allow to dynamically format tables or the metric visual based on the cell table, right? So conditional formatting is just option can be found in the format pane under the cell element. So in this, if you're going to format, there's a cell element. In the cell element, you can find out this color option. So that is the basically conditional formatting here. So what is it? Let's do one thing. Let's open the Power BI and do that in the R, uh, R in the visual. So first, let's click here, go to the visual. In the visual, there is a cell element. Basically, cell element is the conditional formatting there in the Power BI. So go there in the cell element. In the cell element, you will find like data bar. On the data bar, so it would be like this. Okay. So let's more formatting in this. Click here in the effects button and do that some formatting here. Let's take negative is the white color and the positive is the color would be like this, right? Or let's take this color, right? And okay. So you will observe that would be like this, right? Let's do some more formatting in this on the background of this uh, visual on this. Okay, so that's thing we did in the order. Now let's search another one, that is the return percentage. In the return percentage, let's on the background color, see the background color here, right? So let's take some formatting in this, so make you understand how can do more formatting in this. In the maximum, let's take the red color. Okay, and minimum as usual as the white, right? So it will be conditional formatting like this. So that is the basically the condition formatting here in the Power BI, and you already understood what is the matrix, what is the table, and some condition formatting. In condition formatting, you can take this here in this pen, right? In the cell element, you can make color background color, select from the where you want to do that formatting, the cell color, font color, data bar, icon, web URL. So that thing you can do in the conditional formatting in the Power BI. So I think that is enough for today this topic. Let's do one more thing uh, in the top and filter here, and some cards in the next video. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Step by step, we'll make a very beautiful dashboard in the end of this series of this tutorial. So see you in the next video.